Listening and speaking practice. Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice our listening and speaking skills to improve our pronunciation.
There was once a man named John who fell in love with a beautiful and kind-hearted woman named Sarah. They got married and began their life together with joy and love. Sarah was the perfect wife, always supportive of her husband and caring for their family. She was the backbone of the family, taking care of the household and raising their children with love and affection. One day, John lost his job due to the economic downturn. He felt lost and defeated, not knowing how to provide for his family. Sarah remained calm and supportive, assuring him that they would get through it together. She took on extra jobs to make ends meet while John searched for a new job. Despite the financial hardship, they never lost their love for each other. Months went by, and John's job search remained fruitless. He began to feel hopeless and worthless. However, Sarah remained steadfast, encouraging him to keep trying and assuring him that she believed in him. Her unwavering love and support gave John the strength to keep going. Finally, after several months of searching, John landed a new job. They celebrated their success with joy and gratitude. However, it was Sarah's love and support that kept them going through the toughest of times. Years went by, and their family grew stronger and more prosperous. John's career flourished, and Sarah continued to be the loving and caring wife that she always was, even when faced with challenges and hardships. Sarah remained unwavering in her love and support for her husband and family. As John looked back on their journey, he realized that Sarah was more than just his wife. She was his rock, his source of strength, and his constant support. He knew that he would not be where he was today without her, and so he thanked his lucky stars every day for the unwavering love of his wife.
Thank you for watching the video. I ask that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when new videos are released.